Hi children, today you are going to learn 6th class 7th chapter, that is fractions and decimals, in that exercise number 7.3. In this 7.3 exercise we are going to learn that how to compare the like fractions and the addition of like fractions and subtraction of like fractions we are going to learn in this exercise number 7.3. So without wasting your time, let's go through the 7.3 exercise in the bit number 1. So here in the bit number 1 you can see some of the pictures. In these pictures we have to count the shaded parts and unshaded parts. Accordingly you have to write that in the ascending order or not in the descending order of the pictures. See that each picture is divided into 8 equal parts. Each picture is divided into the 8 equal parts. In the first picture, it was shaded 3 parts. So it is 3 by 8. In the second picture, it was shaded like the 6 parts. 6 parts are shaded in the second picture. So 6 by 8. 6 parts are shaded out of 8 parts. Now the next we have shaded 4 parts. We have shaded 4 parts, that 4 by 8. And next they have shaded only 1 part out of 8. 1 by 8. Now let us write these fractions in the form of ascending order. The form of ascending order. Either you write in the ascending order or in descending order, your wish. So how to write the like fractions in ascending order? Simple. First, see that you write the numbers, all these having same denominator as a 8. So see that in the like fraction, the numerator which is less, it is called a smaller one comparing to all. So in this fraction, which number is the smaller one? That is 1. So 1 by 8. Ascending order is from smallest value of the number to biggest value of the number. They are called ascending order. 1 after we get 3. 3 after we get 4. 4 after is 6. 1 is less than 3. 3 is less than 4. 4 is less than 6. So 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 8. It is less than 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. So by using less than symbol we have written. So we can also write in the descending order. We can also write in the descending order. Descending order is just it is reverse. 6 by 8. It is greater than 4 by 8. It is greater than 3 by 8. It is greater than 1 by 8. See, we have written in the ascending order as well as in the descending order. Okay, let us go for the second question in this. Now, this time they have given in a square shape of a boxes which were divided into the 9 equal parts. The square shape of boxes are divided into the 9 equal parts. In that 8 boxes were shaded. 8 boxes were shaded. So it is 8 by 9. 8 by 9. In the next box, see that in the next square, it's also divided into 9 equal squares. From that, I shaded 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 parts are shaded out of 9 parts. So next, in the next square, if you see clearly, it was divided into the only 9 equal parts as same, but 3 parts are shaded out of 9 parts. Then we go for the next square. This square also divided into the 9 equal parts. In that, if you see clearly, again the 6 parts were shaded. 6 parts are shaded out of 9 parts. Let us write the ascending order and descending order of this fraction now. Ascending order. the ascending order, and also we write descending order. So let us write the ascending order: 8 by 9, 4 by 9, 3 by 9, and 6 by 9. So here let us write the smallest one first: 3 by 9, which is less than 4 by 9, which is less than 6 by 9, which is less than 8 by 9. See, when the denominators are same, just we have to compare the numerators. When denominators are same, just you compare the numerator, which numerator is less, it is called smaller one. Then we write the greatest descending order from biggest value of the number to smallest value of the number. If you write it is in the reverse, we'll be getting it is in the descending order. So here it is a less than symbol, and here the other side it will be a greater than symbol. I hope you understood this bit clearly now. Now we go for the second bit from this exercise 7.3. What is second bit? Based on what it is, same. So comparing the like fractions and unlike fractions only. See that the second question from the 7.3. Show that 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 on the number line. Also arrange them in the ascending order. First of all, let us write the given fractions are the given fractions. Which fractions are given here? The given fractions are, what fractions are given here? 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 5 by 6, and it is a 6 by 6. These are the fractions are given. Let us write these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order of the given fractions. Given fractions. Ascending order of the given fraction. How can we write the ascending order? As I told you, all these fractions are like fractions where denominators are equal. So we have to compare the numerators. In numerator, which number having a smaller value, those fraction will be a smaller fraction. So let us write in the ascending order. In this, which number will have, see all denominators are same. So 2 is the smallest in the numerator. So 2 by 6 will come first. Next 4 by 6 will come. Next we get 5 by 6. Next 6 by 6. Next it is 8 by 6. See. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. They are in ascending order now. Denominators are same, so we will not be look on the denominator. So we go for the number line now. This number line we have to draw with a pencil. Let us see. Here children, we have to focus on that. First it is a 0. But what is the denominator? As we learned in the bit number exercise number 1, what is the denominator? We have to concentrate on the denominator and we locate the numbers on the number line. That means from 0 to 1, we have to divide into 6 equal parts. As denominator is 6, so we have to divide into 6 equal parts. Like it goes for 1 by 6, it is 2 by 6, it is 3 by 6, that is 4 by 6, that is 5 by 6, and it is 6 by 6. Where 6 by 6 comes, it is equal to 1 because 6 ones are 6 ones are get cancelled, we get 1. Next we go for 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6. It will continue. How? Till we go for infinitely we can do it. 12 by 6 also. 6 ones are 6 twos are. It will be continuous like that, but we require only till 8 by 6 only. Till if you write here, that is enough. 9 by 6. So now we represent what are the numbers we require. 2 by 6 we require. Let us write the 2 by 6. And 4 by 6 we require. Let us write 4 by 6 in round off. 5 by 6 also we require. Let us round off the 5 by 6. Then 6 by 6 that equal to 1. This also we need to be round up. And the 8 by 6. These numbers we have to round up. But see, while taking these numbers, you have to see this distance should be same. This distance is same undali annintiki. So take a scale and put a point. At every point we have to write the number and maintain the same distance between the numbers. The distance అనేది సేమ్ ఉండాలి. నంబర్ టు నంబర్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో అంతే ఉండాలి. 1 cm 2 cm ఎంత తీసుకుంటారో అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి throughout the number line. That you have to concentrate, children. Okay, the next question, third question will be also based on the number line only. Let us see that question now. Now this is the third question. See that a same box was divided into the different number of parts. A different number of parts. This is the first box has only one part, 0 by 1 and 1 by 1. But second one, you see, it is 0 by 2 and 2 by 2 is there. What we have to do it in the third bit, let us see that. Look at the figures and write greater than, less than or equal between the given pair of fractions. With the given pair of fractions, we have to write the greater than and less than symbol. And some of the fractions were missed in this. And those fractions we need to write it again. So let me write. First 0 and here 1. Look at the denominators are same in all cases. Denominators are same. So here 0 and 1, which is less, see, 0 is less than 1. We'll write the less than symbol here. 0 by 2 and 2 by 2. Between that, 1 by 2 is missing. 0, 1 and 2. As denominator 2, 2, 2. 0 by 2, 1 by 2 and 2 by 2. Let us write here 0 is less than 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 2 because 0 is less than 1 and this 1 is less than 2, like that. 0 by 3, here it is 1 by 3, it is 2 by 3 and here given already 3 by 3 is already given, that is 3 by 3. So 0 is less than 1, it is less than 1 is less than 2 and here 2 is less than 3, nothing but 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 3. Similarly here it is 1 by 4, it is 2 by 4, it is 3 by 4 and it is 4 by 4. So 0 is less than 1, 0 by 4 is less than 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is less than 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is less than 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is less than 4 by 4. Then 0 by 5, it is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. So all these will be less than symbol like similarly. So it comes like a 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. 0 by 6 is less than 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is less than 2 by 6, 2 by 6 is less than 3 by 6, 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6, 4 by 6 is less than 5 by 6, 5 by 6 is less than 6 by 6. What did you understand from this? If denominators are same, if denominators are equal, we have to compare the numerators. Numerators చూడాలి. Numerators లో ఏది చిన్న ఉంటే అది చిన్న fraction, ఏది పెద్ద ఉంటే అది పెద్ద fraction. So here 0 by 3 and 1 by 3. Denominators are same, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, 3. So we'll compare the numerators 0 and 1. 0 is less than 1. Similarly, all these problems will come in the same way. Observe this and draw the same thing in your notes with a pencil. Thank you. Now, by comparing the same, the figures which I have drawn here so far, this also belongs to third bit only. So based on that figures, ఇప్పుడైతే ఏదైతే ఫిగర్స్ డ్రా చేశానో ఆ based on that figures, we have to fill out here less than or greater than or equal symbol. These symbols we have to put it here. So very simple way I will tell you. Based on that figures you can do it that. See the figures, compare these values. ఆ ఫిగర్స్ చూడండి, ఈ వాల్యూస్ ని కంపేర్ చేయండి, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. లేకుంటే ఒక ఈజీ మెథడ్ చెప్తాను, హౌ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద కంపేరింగ్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ విచ్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ విచ్ ఇస్ స్మాలర్ వన్, విచ్ ఇస్ స్మాలర్ వన్ అండ్ విచ్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ వన్. వెరీ సింపుల్. సీ దట్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ 1 by 6 and 1 by 3 which is greater than or which is less than. Let's see. Very simple. Here one members are taking 6 chocolates. Suppose one member is eating 6 chocolates. Here one member is eating 3 chocolates. So it will be different. Then if you take here 6 members are eating 1 chocolate or 3 members are eating 1 chocolate. In this way we can compare it and we can say which is the smaller one, which is the greater one. If you confuse for this, I will tell you one more easy method. This 3 you multiply here. This 3 you multiply here. 1 3s are 3 and 1 6s are 1 into 6, 6. Which is small? 3 is small or 6 is small? 3, 1. So we'll write this is less than. So 1 by 6 is less than 1 by 3. One more easy method. This 6 you multiply here. 6 3s are 18. 4 2s are 8. Which is small? 8 or 18? 8 is small. And 18 is greater. 18 is greater. 8 is small. So we put greater than symbol here. Need not to worry about the denominators and see. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Which is greater? 8 is greater or 6? 8 is greater. So we'll put the greater than symbol here. And see, 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 and 18 both are equal. So we'll put the equal symbol. Very simple. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. Is 25 is less than 30? Yes or no? 25 is less than 30. So we'll put the less than symbol. Finished. We have completed this bit now. We have completed this bit. In the same way, we'll be having the next bit, that bit number 4 also. So let us go for the bit number 4. In fourth bit, let us see, there are some questions in the same model. Let us solve it. Okay. And the third question is not at all solved again. Make 5 more such problems and ask your friends to solve them. You make this kind of 5 problems again. Inka ilanti oka 5 problems meer tayar cheyali. Make 5 more problems for this third question and ask your friends to solve them. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ మీ పక్క వాళ్ళకి కానీ మీరు చెప్పి వాళ్ళకి సాల్వ్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. సో మేక్ 5 more ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇంకో 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇలా తయారు చేయాలి. ఒక 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాం కదా, ఇంకో 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఇంకో 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసి వాటి ఆన్సర్ని మీరన్నా రాయండి, లేకపోతే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కన్నా చేయమని చెప్పండి. సో థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ దట్. సో fill with the approximate symbol less than, greater than or equal symbol. We have to put it here. The first question is 1 by 2 box. It is 1 by 5. So see, as I told you, the same thing you follow. Till that time I will write the questions. See what you can write, either less than symbol or greater than symbol or equal symbol. Which symbol will be used? Which symbol will be used? Can you compare this please? చూడండి, ఏ సింబల్ ని యూజ్ చేయాలి? లెస్ దెన్, గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. ఇంతకు ముందే చెప్పాను కదా కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. వెరీ ఈజీ మెథడ్ టు కంపేర్ two fractions. To compare the two fractions, you do the same thing what I told you. రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ కంపేర్ చేయడానికి నేను చెప్పిన మెథడ్ ఈజీగా ఫాలో అప్ అయిపోండి, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. If you did not understand here how I kept it, you can understand here what I am doing it. Okay, then let us see that. Let us compare this now. See here, as I told the same thing, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Which is less and which is small? Okay, see that this 5 you multiply here. 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. 5 is greater than 2. Finished. And 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Both are equal. 12 and 12 are equal. So this is equal symbol. 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So 9 is less than 10. 9 is less than 10. Simple. Okay, that we have to do in the rough. ఇలా మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఇక్కడ రాయకండి, రఫ్లో చేసుకోండి. Or not you do it in the mind. 8 3s are 24, 4 2s are 8. ఈ 24 8 ఇక్కడ రాయకండి, మీరు మైండ్లో చేయండి. Which is greater now? 24 is greater, so this is greater. Very simple. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 5, 5 6 are 30. 15 is less than 30. 15 is less than 30. Now 7 by 9, 3 by 9. Both are like fractions. Student, 9 and 9 both are like fractions. When like fractions comes, what I told, check the numerators. 7 or 3. Is 7 is greater or 3 is greater? 7 is greater, so it comes like that. Or not, you check the same model again. Same model kuda cheyochu. 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27. So 63 is greater than 27. Finished. So this bit also got completed. See the same thing, you can do it, children. Now we go for the fifth question. Here the fifth question, that answer the following and also write how you solve them. Answer the following and how you solve them. See that the question is that, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? 5/9 అనేది 4/5 కు ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందా? సింపుల్, దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. How 5/9 will be equal to 4/5? They are not equal, no? Let us write here. Simple, 5/9. We put a box like a previous question only. 4/5. Are they equal? Once you see, 5 5s are 25. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Yes or no? So 25 is not equal to 36. They are not equal. Yes, they are not equal. So here 5/1. 5/9 is not equal to 4/5. How? Let's see the reason now. Let us check it. Very simple that here first you take a 5/9. This 5/9 will make it here like so. This 5/9 into this equal to 5/9 into what is the denominator here? 5. With 5 you multiply to the numerator and denominator both. న్యూమరేటర్ కు డినామినేటర్ కు మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఇంతకుముందు అలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా చేసామనేది ఇక్కడ చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఓన్లీ నేను న్యూమరేటర్స్కే మల్టిప్లై చేశాను, డినామినేటర్స్ చేయలేదు. ఎందుకు చూడండి, 9 5s are 45, 5 9s are 45. ఈ డినామినేటర్ని ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, న్యూమరేటర్ కు డినామినేటర్ కు. 5 into 5 25. 9 5s are 45. So this 5/9 is equal to 25/45, and this 4/5 will take it. 4/5 equal to this 4/5 and take this denominator and multiply this. మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఈ డినామినేటర్ ని ఇటు మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, ఈ డినామినేటర్ ని ఇటు మల్టిప్లై చేసి కంపేర్ చేసాం. సో సేమ్ థింగ్. నౌ టేక్ this denominator and multiply here, that is 9/9. 4 9s are 36. 5 9s are 45. See this, here the denominators are different, 9 and 5, but here 5/9 is equal to 25/45. Here 4/5 is equal to 36/45. These are called equivalent fractions. Equal value of fractions is called equivalent fractions. So ఏం చేసాం, ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసాం 5 times. This fraction we increased 9 times. దీన్ని 5 times increase చేసాం. So 5 into 5. For numerator 5 times I increased. For denominator also I increased 5 times. And this fraction I increased 9 times. So numerator I increased 9 times and denominator also I increased 9 times. So it became a 25/45. The 5/9 become, and 4/5 became a 36/45. So now you see the denominators I made it equal. Here the denominators are different, 9 and 5, but here the denominators are equal. That is what I have done. So unlike fractions ఉంటే కంపేర్ చేయడం కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో మనం ఏం చేసాం, దాన్ని లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని, see I made it this unlike fractions into like fractions. How can we change unlike fractions into like fractions? First ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు డినామినేటర్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. 9 5s are 45 will get, or 5 9s also we get 45. See 9 into 5 45, 5 into 9 45. అంటే ఈ డినామినేటర్ ఇటు మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, ఈ డినామినేటర్ ఇటు మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. For not only for denominators we have to multiply for numerator and denominator, రెండిటికి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అప్పుడే ఆ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది certain number of times increase అవుతుంది. So will be like that. See now 5/9 is equal to 25/45 and 4/5 is equal to 36/45. But here 25/45 is not equal to 36/45. But 25/45 is not equal to 36/45, because here denominators are same. We have to compare the numerators. While comparing the numerator, 25 is less than 36. So therefore we can write here 25/45 is nothing but 25/45 is nothing but 5/9. This 5/9 is not equal to this 36/45 is nothing but 4/5. Simple. Either answer. They are not equal. First, they are not equal. Why they are not equal? Let us see. Here 9/16. Let us make a box like this, and 5/9. ఏమవుతుంది, దీన్ని 9 times increase చేద్దాం. 9 into 9 81. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. So 81 is greater than 80. So this 81 is greater than 80, but we have to write that either they are equal or not. They are not equal. We'll put like this. They are not equal. Why? Let us show it here. 9 by 6. Actually 9 by 16. 16. 9 by 16. We have to increase 9 number of times. This denominator we have to multiply this fraction to the numerator and also for denominator. So 9 into 9 81 by 9 6 16 nines are, that is 16 nines you will get 144. 144. And this 5 by 9 will take it. This 5 by 9 is equal to, if 5 by 9 is this 16 will multiply to the numerator and denominator. If first denominator is second fraction multiply to that. This will be increased 16 number of times. Why we have to increase 16 number of times? To get the same denominator 144. Same denominators రావాలి అంటే నీకు 16 9 సార్ ఎంత వస్తుందో 9 into 16 దా కూడా అంతే వస్తుంది. అందుకే ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని 9 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాను. ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ 9 ఉంది కనుక 9 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాను. ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ 16 ఉంది కనుక 16 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాను. when you multiply the denominators, 16 9s are 144, 9 16s also 144, hence we got the denominators are same. So while comparing here 5 16s are 80. While comparing the numerators, we'll come to know that. While comparing the numerators, we'll come to know that here 81 by 44, 144. 81 by 44 is not equal to 80 by 144. 81, how it is equal to 80? 81 by 144, 80 by 144. But 144 we don't consider, because they are like fractions. Now compare the numerators 81 and 80. How 80 is equal to 81? 81 how is equal to 80? That's not possible. So 81 by 144 is not equal to 80 by 144. So we write now therefore directly here 81 by 144 is nothing but this 81 by 144 is nothing but a 9 by 6. So 9 by 16 is not equal. 9 by 16 it is not equal to 80 by 144. This 80 by 144 is equal to 5 by 9. 5 by 9. This is our therefore chapter. See, in the same model we are going to be doing two more problems. In the same model we are going to be doing the two more problems. Let us see that those problems again. We'll solve it. Okay. Now question number 3 and question number 4 are this bit. Are the same bit, fifth bit. Question number 3 and question number 4. The question number 3 is here. 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Let us see. And 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is it equal to 4 by 30? Let us see, are they equal or not? First of all, let us write here 4 by 5. Is it equal to 16 by 20 or not? How to check? As I told you, these two you multiply. First numerator ne multiply chesukondi. Endukante denominators no meer easy ga equal అయిపోతాయి. So numerators let us compare. 20 into 4, that is 80. 4 into 20 or 20 into 4 is 80. 5 60 is 16 is 80. 5 into 16, 80 or 16 5 is 80. 80, 80, both are equal. So this both are equal now. Yes, 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. How? Let us see. The process will write here 4 by 5. First fraction you take it here. First fraction is equal to 4 by 5. And see the second denominator is what? 20. This 20 you multiply here. 20 by 20 to the numerator fraction and denominator fraction. So 4 into 20 that is 80. By 5 into 20 that is 100. 80 by 100 you will get. Next to take the 16 by 20. Here 16 by 20 you increase a 5 number of times. For this fraction you have to multiply the first denominator 5 to the numerator and also denominator. 16 5 is 80. By 20 into 500. See, 5 20s are 100 or 20 into 5 is 100. So denominators are equal. It become a like fractions. So all the denominators are equal. Here denominator is equal. So let us compare the numerators now. Here 80 by 100 is equal to this 80 by 100. These both are equal. So let us write therefore is here 80 by 100 is nothing but 4 by 5. Here 4 by 5 is equal to 80 by 100 is nothing but here 16 by 20. Simple. 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. Here let us do the same thing now. 1 into 15. 1 by 15, sorry. 1 by 15 and here 4 by 30. Let us do it our cross multiplication once again. 1 30 is a 30. Here 30 is 15 4 is a 60. 30 and 60. How they will be equal? They are not equal. So let us write not equal. Let us write the not equal. Let us write here how they are not equal. This 1 by 15. We will write here 1 by 15 into here 30 is your row 30 by 30. So let us do it. 1 into 30 it is 30 by 15 into 30. 1 0 you write here. With 3 you multiply 3 15 is a 45. So 15 into 30 is 450. Then next to take the next fraction, that is 4 by 30. Here 4 by 30. This we have to increase a 15 number of times. Yes. 4 15s are 60. And here 30 into 15, that is 450. Here 30 by 450, 60 by 450. 450, 450 like fractions. And 30 is not equal to 60. So we can write now the 30 by 450 is not equal to 60 by 450. 60 by 450. So therefore we can write that 30 by 450 is nothing but 1 by 15. Mana answers e fractions lo ichchadanka ela is not equal to 60 by 450 is nothing but 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Hence we have proved that all the 4 problems of this bit number 5. Now we go for the 6th question here. Here the 6th question is that it's a word problem. Varshit read 25 pages of a story book containing 100 pages. Varshit is a boy who studied a 25 pages, only 25 pages out of 100 pages of book. In a book there are 100 pages, but Varshit read only 25 pages. 25 pages మాత్రమే చదివాడు. Total 100 pages ఉన్నాయి book లో. Then there is one more girl, Lalita. There is one girl, Lalita, who read 2 by 5 of the same story book. 2 by 5 of the same story book. Who read less? Give a reason. Mari Lalita ఎంత చదివింది? 2 by 5 of the pages చదివింది. So what is this 2 by 5 of the 100 pages? That we need to find out. Okay, the total number of pages in a book. What are the total number of pages in a book? Total number of pages are 100. There are 100 pages in a book. Then what? This Varshit read only pages. The number of pages read by Varshit. The number of pages read by Varshit. అంటే Varshit ఎన్ని పేజీలు చదివాడు? 25. Okay. The remaining 75 pages he did not read. Only he read 25 pages. Then there is one more girl. The number of pages read by Lalita. Now the number of pages read by Lalita is equal to 2 by 5 of the same book. 2 by 5 of the same book. Here 2 by 5 half lessons into the book having 100 pages. So let us write 100 here. 2 by 5 of 100 pages. అంటే లలిత ఏంది? 2 by 5 of 100 pages. From 100 pages నుంచి 2 by 5th of the part. Fraction లో ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ. 2 by 5th of the part of 100 pages she read. Let us cancel here. We know that 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Cancel చేస్తున్నాం చూడండి 5 టేబుల్ లో. ఇక్కడ ఏ టేబుల్ తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే టేబుల్ తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10 and 1 0 will write here. 5 zeros are 0. So what? 2 into 20. Here 2 and here 20. 2 into 20, that is 40. So the number of pages read by Lalita, the number of pages read by Lalita is equal to 40 pages. Lalita ఏం చదివింది 40 pages చదివింది. ఎవరు తక్కువ పేజెస్ చదివారు మరి? Who read very less pages? Who read less pages? The Varshit read 25 pages. Lalita read 40 pages. Who read less pages? Therefore, Varshit read less number of pages of the book. Less pages, less number of pages of the book. How many less? Who read the less? Give a reason. So, Varshit read less pages, less number of pages of the book. How many? By 20 pages. By 20 pages less. By 20 pages less. అంటే 20 pages తక్కువ చదివింది. ఈమె 15 pages. By 15 pages less. ఎంత ఈమె 40 చదివింది. ఈమె 25. 40, 25. That means Varshit read 15 pages less. She read 40 pages. He read only 25 pages. Here 40 minus 25 is nothing but 15 pages. So this 15 pages he read less. Varshit అనేది తక్కువగా చదివాడు. Okay. Now we go for the 7th bit. Here in the 7th bit there are 3 questions here. We have to put in these blanks either it is plus or minus by watching these pictograms. Pictograms in the sense diagrams. By watching these diagrams we have to put either plus or minus symbol. Approximately which symbol will come. See that here a rectangular box is divided into 5 equal parts in every time. But here you see one part is shaded here and 3 parts are shaded here. One part and 3 parts are shaded. That is equal to the RHS side, right hand side 4 parts are shaded. Here 1 and 3. Here 1 part, here 3 parts, here 4 parts. Then 1 plus 3 will give us 4. So we have to get plus symbol in this. Then only 1 plus 3 equal to 4 we will get. In the similarly here, the next what we get? Let us see. Then here there are 5 parts are shaded. Here only 2 parts are shaded. And here RHS side 3. So what symbol should come here? 5 plus 2 equal to 3? No. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So the minus should come here. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So in that same way here 2 parts are shaded. In the 3 parts are shaded. Here total 5 parts are shaded. 2 minus 3 equal to 5? No. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So plus symbol has to come here. I hope you understood here the till 7th bit of this exercise 7.3. The remaining exercises we'll learn in the next video. Till that time, bye children.